Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over a little bit of information about SHIBA INU, ticker symbol SHIB, and we're going to look at the charts, see what they're telling us, and kind of make some predictions on what might happen from this point on. So just to reiterate, not a financial advisor, guys. Make sure that you do your own research, and especially with cryptocurrencies, don't invest anything that you are not comfortable losing, because this is some risky business here. However, it does look like we're on potential for the up and up. Just got a couple of levels that we're looking at potentially breaking here, and then we could see some momentum. So if you want to kind of have an indication of what may happen with Shiba Inu, then obviously keep track of Bitcoin, because basically as Bitcoin rises, so will SHIB. If Bitcoin's down, SHIB will be down as well. We are at a pretty crucial level right here at the 0.000025 level, and we seem to kind of pop our head around there and keep getting rejected. And if we can break above that and hold, then that's a really good sign for us moving forward. So I got a bull pennant flag forming here. It's been forming for quite some time, for the past month or so, and if we can break above, let me see if I can get these lines drawn to where I can kind of show you what we need to watch for. And let's see here. Well, that's not going to work. Let's see if I can edit this thing here. Highlight thickness. There we go. And then there we go. Okay, so from the tip top of this level here, as you see, we're at a pretty crucial point to decide whether we're going to go up higher, or we're going to stay in this channel and go lower. So in my opinion, if for some reason, let's see if I can change the color of this here. There we go. Okay, a couple possible scenarios. If we bounce above this and we get to like the 27, 28 level, and we go up higher here, and then all of a sudden we use this line as support, then we could continue to move higher. However, if we keep getting rejected and we start going lower and we make lower lows, then we could start basically continuing down, and that would be wild if we get to this level here, all the way down here before we make a breakout. But that would mean we give away like all kind of gains that basically we've gained in the past month. Don't see that happening, but you just never quite know. After the halving, I'd been kind of saying to myself, about 2 to 2.5 weeks after, we should start seeing some momentum to the upside. And it seems like we want to go up there, just not sure if we will. So the key level here you're looking at, what you want to keep an eye on if you're a SHIB holder, is the 0.000025 level. We want to see if we can break through this level here, but not only break through that, and we're pretty close, right? As you can see, we're basically right there. If we can get above that and hold is the key thing. So a pop to the upside would be great, but then as we come down, if we can bounce off of that, then I think our next big test would be here, which would be 4035 level. And if we can do that, then from there, I mean, guys, I think that we can potentially see a pretty big run to where we may end up retesting the all-time highs on Shiba Inu. And if we can do that, let me just show you what is potentially forming. Looks like it's kind of forming, is this very, very massive cup. Okay, and then when you get to the cup, at the all-time highs, obviously we're going to see a pullback, right? And then when we see the pullback, you have until about halfway down the cup here to see if it'll hold support, and then that's your handle, and then typically you see it going higher from there. So it's looking like it's potentially forming. Again, not a guarantee, but it's something to keep an eye on. Short term, what you want to keep an eye on is what I showed you earlier, the 0.000025 level. When we get from there, if we can break above the 3.5 level, I think we're off to the races, and we're going to see a lot more gains from there. If we can't hold here, then we're probably going to trickle down to probably like the 2.0, maybe even the 1.5 level before we start trying to make a reversal. So anyway, guys, just wanted to give you an update on Shiba Inu. Let me know your comments. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.